So in general, what we do in JP Morgan, we combine both research and practice for innovation. So this is our main strategy. And in general, this strategy has been successful so far. For instance, back in 2023, we had this product called PrimeMatch, which was using secure multi-part computation. And we were actually the first bank to have the first product on secure multi-part computation across the finance world. So I think that's why it's important to combine both research and practice, which has been ideal for us. So in general, for example, I will speak about Atlas X. So it enables actually this an application that wouldn't be possible without privacy, because as I said, clients wanted to remove their positions from that application, and this actually now enables this application. So without this differential privacy, we wouldn't be able to offer this. And just to give you a sense of numbers, for example, in Atlas X, the inventory that we generate with differential privacy is actually billions every day. And in general, and how much is actually the benefit through the year? It's actually millions, because a lot of it is being consumed, right? So it does give business value to the business. And then if we forget about the revenue, the important thing is that it also enables it, because they wouldn't be able to do this without privacy. Yeah, so there are also a lot of requests we get for products, but the research is still not there, because secure computation is not for free. It can be expensive, or it can take time. For example, in the markets first, we have some problems that we are trying to solve now, where they concern high frequency trading, where there you cannot really wait, okay? But the has to be really fast. So we have some sort of optimization problems there that we're trying to solve for federated learning. We started doing research on it 4 years ago. The algorithms that they used behind federated learning, actually, they were not so efficient. So we did a lot of research to improve the algorithms. But when I would talk to the business 4 years ago about federated learning, I couldn't find an application, okay? They were saying, okay, it was like nice to have, but we don't have an application at the moment. Actually, I see that they are very interested, and I think this is because the regulations changed, which is very important. So actually, have in pilot now a use case where you cannot send data from a different location to another location due to regulations, and there they care a lot now about federated learning. Firms are moving to biometric payments. So the idea is that you want to go to a store without having a credit card or a phone, and you want to pay with your palm, okay? So there, again, like you just pay only with your palm, but imagine that there's some security breach or something, right? I cannot really change my hand, right? Because if somebody like stole your biometric information, for example, if you have a credit card, I can throw your credit card and give you another one, right? But for the biometric data, I cannot give you like a new hand, right? So it's very important to have strong privacy guarantees on this type of applications. We were going and showing them demos about like technology. So they want to have a deep dive to find out like what the code does and everything. And they were very interested to see what the code does and if they should trust, right? I think how we also view it is that I think we want to educate the users. Part of our goal is to start using these technologies more. So I think it's good to start educating the crowd that these technologies are there, so that at some point we want to make them mainstream. I think it's important to show the value first before you actually have the solution. Yeah, I'll tell you the one that I do think requires secure computation. We're talking about AI agents a lot recently, right? Everybody wants to use AI agents, and even like different AI agents talking to other AI agents. So if you think about this, is like secure multi-part computation, different parties talking to each other. But there's a difference here. The AI agents are probabilistic; they are not deterministic. So you can never guarantee how they're going to act on the information that you give them. So I definitely think the community should put more effort combining secure computation and AI agents, because I think that can be an application where secure computation can really shine, actually.